All right, y'all, let's bring you along. So we're cleaning these garage doors. A lot of logistics go into play when you're working indoors, especially when you're working indoors with a lot of water and caustic chemicals. So I've tried so many things to get this grime to break loose on these doors, and I didn't have any luck. But you know your boy has that secret sauce, and we've gotten a little bit better at this over the last year, so you just watch all that grime melt away. We've got our floor squeegee, making sure we don't have too much water running inside because we don't have a reclaim system, but you already know what it is. Squeaky clean. On to the next one.